How to clear cache in WordPress. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now I am inside my WordPress dashboard right here, and all you have to do is to navigate through the plugins button. From here, you want to search for WP fastest cache. And once inside, you want to go ahead and look for this specific plugin right here, which is the clear cache for me. You want to go ahead and activate and install this specific plugin into your dashboard. Basically, right after, you want to navigate through the plugin section once more, and right below that there will be an option called install plugins. From there, you want to select the plugin that we have installed, and once inside that specific plugin, you can then go ahead and see the delete cache option. You can just go ahead and click on that option and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.